Alice's sister Sheila may not be the sharpest tool in the shed, but her persistence on short responses and giving the least amount of information has the patience of the Senate panel wearing thin. This as the anxiety and expectation on the return of dismissed mayor and captured fugitive Alice Guo to the country continues to build. Our Daniel Manalastas has more on today's Senate probe.
Senators grilled Sheila Guo, the alleged sister of dismissed Mayor Alice Guo, as senators expressed doubts about her statement on how they escaped the country.
Nanunumpa ka pa rin ba na pagkatapos ng ilang araw ng biyahe sa dagat na sinasabi mo sa Xianben na kayo bumaba?
Pagdating bago sa Xianben na may isunto sabi ng isang small na maliit ng pool. Bago lating sa Xianben na.
Okay, so pero ini-insist nyo pa rin sa Xianben na kayo bumaba eventually?
Sabi West, tanong kasi pagdating doon, tanong ko kay Wesley kung saan tayo. Sabi niya Xianben na. Hindi ko masyado kasi beach yata yun. Palang beach na may buhangin.
Siyempre naman, beach, so may buhangin.
Pero Sheila, 2019, Madam Chair, natatandaan niya yung Filipino food na kinain nila bago magkaroon ng pandemya? Natatandaan niya lahat. Sheila, may amnesia ka ba?
Senators even tried to squeeze Sheila on the stamp on her passport. As Senator Risa Hontiveros also expressed doubts.
Ayon sa kanila, wala kayong legal entry sa Sabah. Pati yung stamp sa passport na nag-i-indicate na dumating kayo sa Sabah, fake daw yung stamp na yan. Kinumpara nila sa totoong stamp na dapat tinatatak sa Sabah. Pero ang nakukumpirma nila, ito credible information na ng aming komite, subcommittee, tumating kayo sa Kuala Lumpur noong July 18.
Hindi ko pa alam. Basta yun na yung biyahe ko.
Hindi mo rin alam kung dumaan kayo ng Bali, Indonesia?
Wala. Hindi kami
Wala.
Meanwhile, Alice Guo's lawyer Stephen David confirmed Wesley Guo's expressed desire to surrender.
Kahapon. Well, lawyer-client privilege yan eh. Pero gusto rin niya sumuko. Detail, hindi ko masasabi.
Bakit gusto na niyang sumuko?
Siyempre, dumadating yung point ng isang tao yung nadi-discourage ka, di ba? Kasi makasama mo, nandyan na lahat, di ba? So, human being that we are, dumarating yung point ng kahinaan natin, gusto nating humarap. Which is actually, yun naman ang tamang gawin eh.
The Senate is already prepared in case Alice Guo's custody is transferred to them. According to Senator Sherwin Gatchalian, Guo will still stay in Senate custody, despite the court warrant issued against her.
Dito pa rin siya mag-stay, no? Dahil itong warrant of arrest niya ay available. So, in-expect ko na magbe-bail siya bukas, no? Pagdating niya dito, kasi dadating siya ng 11. So, bukas, first thing in the morning, in-expect ko magbe-bail siya. At after siya i-bail, dadalhin siya dito. Mamaya pa lang yung Senate Sergeant at Arms pupunta na sa airport para masigurado na yung proseso ay ang pinakahuling proseso dito sa madidetain.
Senators expect Alice Guo to attend their next hearing next week. Daniel Manalastas from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.